So this week's word of the week for week number 20 is muscular strength. Now, muscular strength is defined as the amount of force one can put out or the amount of weight one can lift. Now, examples of muscular strength are weightlifting, using resistance bands, shoveling, and digging, and much, much more. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 20 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, squat jumps. Number 3, mountain climbers. And number 4, cross jacks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 20. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have X's. So what I'm gonna do is start with my feet shoulder width apart, and I'm gonna have my feet staggered, and then I'm gonna put my feet together, and then I'm gonna open them right back up, kind of like I'm drawing an X, 2 at the top, 1 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. So again, back to the middle, and then back to the bottom. So it's gonna go forward and back, okay? Those are X's. All right, number 2, we have squat jumps. So we're gonna go feet shoulder width apart. Make sure you pretend you're like you're in a box. Look at your shoulders, look at your feet. They should be aligned. You're gonna go straight down, drop down like you have a chair behind you, and then you're gonna explode up and do a squat jump. Exercise number 3, we got mountain climbers. So we're going down, get into a push-up position. Make sure that your hands are facing forward. Do not turn your wrist. You can actually really damage your wrist, so don't do that. Make sure you're facing forward. Okay, you're gonna start with 1 foot back, 1 foot forward, and then you're gonna alternate, okay? Just go at your own pace. If you wanna go nice and slow, that's okay, as long as you're moving your body. And if you wanna go turbo and go as fast as you can, that's good as well. The goal is to get your knees as close to your chest as possible. So exercise number 4, we have cross jacks. So I'm gonna go and start with my feet out wide, hands can go to the side, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross your hands back and forth, just like this. And while you're doing that, you're bringing your feet in and out, so it looks like this. Okay, cross jacks. All right, so make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 20, and we'll begin in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. X's. Again, open, close, open. Like you're making an X. You move your body forward and backwards. Great job. Remember, every exercise is 30 seconds. Breathe through your nose. Oh, you mind. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Great job, my friends. Keep it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Work hard. You can do it. Remember the motto, just finish, my friends. All right, we got those squat jumps coming up. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Get shoulder width apart and go down and explode. I want you guys to go higher than me. Use those arms to propel you up. Let's go. Like you're doing an awesome jump squat. Let's go, let's go. Like your rocket ship. Woo! All right, let's go down. Mountain climbers. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, hit your knees to your chest. Do the best you can. Let's go, we're moving. You got it, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Cross jack, and go. Cross your hands. Let's go, let's go. You're doing amazing, my friends. Almost done with this round. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, 1 minute rest, my friends. Great time to get some water, wipe your sweat off, get ready for round 2. So I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. Again, this is Fast 5 number 20. If you have not checked out 1 through 19, highly recommend it, my friends. Almost at 3 weeks worth of Fast 5 workouts that you can try out at home with your family, with your friends. If you guys are working on your fitness journeys, great opportunity to check these workouts out. Again, only 5 minutes. Great beginner workouts. So you check it out. If you guys are not subscribed to my other YouTube channel, which is Fast 5 Workouts, make sure you do that today. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. X's. Again, forward and backwards. Open and close. Open, together, close. There you go. You guys got this. Let's go. Move. We're moving. We're working hard. I want you to put out more effort this round. Everything you got. 10 more seconds, my friends. All right, squat jumps, feet shoulders apart, and down and up, explode. I want you guys jumping off those toes. Let's go. As high as you can. Reach for the ceiling. Reach for the stars. I know I'm getting a little fatigued. That's okay to get tired. Just keep working. All right, let's go. Down to mountain climbers. 2 more exercises left. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go put in that work. Your hard work will pay off, I promise you. All right, last one. Cross jacks and go. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm just gonna cross my arms and legs. Almost there, my friends. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Amazing job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 20. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was the most challenging exercise? And also don't forget to drop a comment down below of what types of exercises you would like to see for future Fast 5 workouts. Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Cupid Arrow Knockout. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, you're gonna need a few household items. So you're gonna grab a pair of socks, you're gonna put them together and make a sock ball, okay? I have a cone. Now this cone could just be replaced with maybe a shoe, something on the floor that's gonna be a marker. And then I created this Cupid's arrow out of just a piece of paper, and I drew it out. See the nice little pretty heart. And then a water bottle, slightly filled up just so it gives it enough to stay upright throughout the activity. Okay. So those are the only items you're gonna need for today's lesson. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll get to the activity in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Now this is the setup I have is 3 different cones. I have a red cone, a white cone, and a green cone. And what I'm gonna have to do is, from those cones, get this softball, and I'm gonna have to try to knock down Cupid's arrows. Okay, so for level 1, I currently have 3 arrows I need to knock down, and I need to knock them down in 1 minute. Now, if I, let's say, start over here at this white cone, and I'm gonna, again, use the motion for kicking using the inside of my foot. So I'm gonna turn my foot, opposite foot facing forward. Let's say I'm aiming for this one across my body. I'm gonna use the inside of my foot to strike the softball, and I'm gonna try to knock down that arrow. If I'm not successful, I'm gonna run and retrieve it. And then I must return to a different cone to try it again. So if I started over here at white, I now have to move over, let's say, to green or to red. You cannot go back to the same cone. So I'm gonna start over here at the red cone. Maybe try for the middle one. Again, missed. Try again. All right, so I'm gonna have 1 minute to try to knock down all of the 3 arrows. 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, you have to travel to another cone. Cannot repeat cones. Ah. Oh, that's 1. Oh, that's 2. Last one. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Again, make sure you're using the inside of your foot. Ah. Oh, come on. Ah. Oh, so close! 1 more! 5, 4, 3, 2. And time. Alright, so Mr. Garcia was only able to get 2 of Cupid's arrows down. Alright, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now level 2, I have 5 of Cupid's arrows that I need to knock down. I go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I have to use the inside of my foot to sweep it and pass it and knock down Cupid's arrows. I have my 3 cones. Again, you cannot repeat the same cone twice. You must move to a different cone. So I'm going to give level 2 a try in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, go. Hopefully I can get 2 for 1, we'll see. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Can Mr. Garcia do it? Oh, just tapped it. 4, last one. And 5. Great job. With 10 seconds left to spare. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Cupid's arrow knockdown. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment down below what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you can modify it, what different skills could you use with this same activity. So drop a comment down below. Also, don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.